So how do you delete the home address or the home bookmark within the Apple Maps? Let's get started. If you're new here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Now, what you're gonna do is to open up the Apple Maps as usual, and you can see that we have like a couple of shortcuts at the bottom. Like one of them might be the work address or home address. You can add it all in here, right? Obviously, it's like set randomly for me. I live in Europe, but I chose this to like make it appear, and this is my like current like home address. And if I want to delete that, what I have to do is to click on the my like personal icon in here, which is my Apple Maps profile. I'm gonna get inside, and then I'm gonna go to the places like this. So you can see I have the recently added, my home is already like there, but I'm gonna go to the saved places again, tap on the three dots next to the home, and I have the ability to either unpin it if it's pinned, but most importantly, I have the red button to delete it from places, and that way you like remove it as a bookmark, and you're gonna be able to add something else to your home or leave it empty if you don't want to use it. But that's how you can like delete the home address from Apple Maps. Now let me know in the comments below if it worked. If it didn't, like make sure you update your iPhone to the latest iOS operating system to make sure you get the latest features and the way that it shows up on my device. But that's it from me. Thanks a lot. If anything changes, I'll make an updated video, so stay tuned for that and never miss it by subscribing, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.